Do you want to speak English with real confidence? Do you want to understand native speakers and sound natural every time you talk? Then welcome to English Practice Now, your fun way to learn and practice real English. In today's lesson, we've got 4 powerful parts. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. So, open your ears, repeat with us, and let's train your brain to think in English. Ready? Let's begin.
Part 1. English Listening Practice. Now it's time to train your ears. Listen to a short English conversation. Don't worry about every single word. Just follow the flow. Every time you listen, your English gets better and better. Let's begin.
Hi, Ryan. Did you send the report to the manager?
Yes, I sent it a few minutes ago.
Great. Wait, did you send the new file or the old one?
Oh no, I think I sent the old one by mistake.
That's okay. Just send the right file now.
I'm sending the correct file now.
Good. Maybe write new version in the email.
Done. Thanks for your help.
No problem. I made the same mistake last week.
Really? Glad I'm not the only one.
Did you send it?
Yes, all done. Problem solved.
Nice work. Let's take a short coffee break.
Great idea. I need one after this.
Part 2. Learn vocabulary. Now it's time to level up your English. Let's go over some useful new words from the conversation. I'll explain each word and give you simple examples, so you can use them in real life. Repeat after me. Practice out loud and don't be shy. Remember, repetition is the secret to fluency. The more you repeat, the faster you improve. By mistake. When you do something not on purpose, by accident. Example, I sent the wrong email by mistake. In the dialogue, Ryan says he sent the old file by mistake. Correct file. The right or updated document or file. Example, please send the correct file to the manager. In the dialogue, Ryan sends the correct file after he finds his mistake. Problem solved. We say this when something is fixed or finished. Example, the printer works now. Problem solved. In the dialogue, Ryan says, problem solved, after sending the right file. Take a break. To stop working for a short time to rest. Example, let's take a break and drink some coffee. In the dialogue, Emma says, let's take a short coffee break. Send. To make something go from one place to another by email, message, etc. Example, please send the file again. In the dialogue, Ryan sends the report to the manager and later sends the correct file. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Now, it's your turn to practice speaking. I'll ask you questions about the conversation. Listen carefully and try to answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer. Don't worry about mistakes. Practicing is the fastest way to improve your fluency. So get ready, speak up, and let's build your confidence together.
Hi, Ryan. Did you send the report to the manager?
Yes, I sent it a few minutes ago.
Great. Wait, did you send the new file or the old one?
Oh no, I think I sent the old one by mistake.
That's okay. Just send the right file now.
Did Ryan send the report? Yes, he did. He sent the report to the manager. What did Emma ask about? She asked about the file. She asked which file he sent. What did Ryan send by mistake? He sent the old file by mistake. Did Ryan feel stressed at the beginning? Yes, he did. He felt worried when he noticed the mistake.
I'm sending the correct file now.
Good. Maybe write new version in the email.
Done. Thanks for your help.
No problem. I made the same mistake last week.
Really? Glad I'm not the only one.
What is Ryan doing now? He is sending the correct file. What did Emma tell Ryan to write? She told him to write new version in the email. Did Emma help Ryan with the email? Yes, she did. She helped him write the correct email.
Did you send it?
Yes, all done. Problem solved.
Nice work. Let's take a short coffee break.
Great idea. I need one after this.
Did Ryan send the correct file in the end? Yes, he did. He sent the correct file. What did Ryan say when everything was okay? He said, "Problem solved." What did Emma suggest doing? She suggested taking a coffee break. What did Ryan say about the coffee break? He said it was a great idea. Did they take a short break after fixing the problem? Yes, they did. They took a short coffee break after fixing the problem. Was everything okay at the end? Yes, it was. The problem was solved and they were both happy. Part 4. Shadowing Practice. Finally, it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each line after the speakers. Focus on the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation. This exercise will help you sound more natural, fluent, and confident in English. Don't just listen. Speak with us, copy the flow, and feel the improvement.
Hi, Ryan. Did you send the report to the manager? Great. Wait, did you send the new file or the old one? That's okay. Just send the right file now. Good. Maybe write new version in the email. No problem. I made the same mistake last week. Did you send it? Nice work. Let's take a short coffee break.
Yes, I sent it a few minutes ago. Oh no, I think I sent the old one by mistake. I'm sending the correct file now. Done. Thanks for your help. Really? Glad I'm not the only one. Yes, all done. Problem solved. Great idea. I need one after this.
Great job! You did it! Keep practicing with this video every day, and you'll notice real progress in your speaking and listening. Remember, repetition is the secret to success. Check the description for today's question of the day and share your answer in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. This is English Practice Now, helping you listen, speak, and improve one step at a time. See you in the next video.